Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you a really special way on how to make ice cream. It's snow ice cream. So you will need a spoon, sweetened condensed milk, a bowl, and snow. Step number 1 is we bring this outside and get the cleanest snow possible. Alright, that's good. Oh man, this hurts my feet. Whew. Step number 2. We open our sweetened condensed milk and pour as much as we can. Alright. And then step number 3. Stir it until it's mixed, but not until it melts completely. Alright, this is fantastic consistency, but we are going to put it into the freezer for about 2 minutes. Alright. Oh. Ah! There we go. Alright, time to take it out of the freezer. Bang! This is like exactly how you'd want it. Just give it one more stir now with serving spoon. Oh, that's great. This you want it to be like melty. That's when it tastes the best. That is good. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.